Welcome to Wall Curtains, where we transform your spaces with premium upholstery work. In today's video, we're sharing what our clients in Dubai have to say about their experience with our upholstery services. From luxury fabrics to precise craftsmanship, let's hear directly from those who have upgraded their homes with our designs. Client 1, I chose wall curtains for my sofa makeover. The team helped me select the perfect velvet fabric that matched my living room. Their attention to detail and customer service were top-notch. Client 2, we had our dining chairs reupholstered, and the results are stunning. The leather finish feels luxurious, and the craftsmanship speaks for itself. Highly recommend wall curtains for anyone in Dubai looking for quality work. Client 3, wall curtains did an amazing job on my custom armchair. The entire process, from consultation to delivery, was seamless. I'm thrilled with the outcome and the range of fabrics available. Why choose wall curtains? At Wall Curtains, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional quality, whether it's modern, classic, or custom upholstery. We offer a wide range of fabrics and expert advice to ensure your vision becomes reality. Ready to elevate your space with custom upholstery? Visit wallcurtains.com to explore our range of options and schedule your consultation today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design inspiration.